Fresh na lalan. Grapefruit. So we're here in the Park Valley Resort with everyone here. Hi. So we went to check our rooms first, and then we had to pay half the amount for 2 rooms at the reception before we get our rooms, and we were to settle the remaining amount before we check out. This is our room, so let's start the room tour. Starting as you enter, there is this cupboard with ironing tools, and then some, is that towels? Looks like towels, some hangers, quite old. And if you want to do your laundry, they have the laundry form. Let me show you the price of the laundry form here. And on the right hand side we have the toilet. Let's go check out the toilet. This is the sink. It's quite dark. That's me. And we have some toiletries, bath gel, body lotion, and the hair dryer here. We have some soap, dental kit for 2, shower cap for 2. This is the toilet, and there's a bathtub, and the shower area also have the shampoo and conditioner and shower gel, and the towels here, and a curtain to shower. Okay, let's go out to the hall. Not the hall, the bed area. So we have a trash can, water boiling kettle, 2 cups, some tea and coffee. What is this? Oh, a glass with paper, and 2 complimentary water bottle. And then this is the bed. We have 2 twin bed, but we're going to add a stretcher bed later. And then on this side there are TV remote controls and the information for the reception, where whatever help you need, and the telephone is beside it. And then on this side we have the TV and some drawer and 2 drawers. Oh, I forgot to find the mini fridge, which should be here. Is there? Let's see. Oh, there is the mini fridge. Anything inside? Nope. Empty fridge. And then next to the TV we have a chair and a desk and a very nice mirror to get ready here. And you can order things using this code, QR code. There, my sister's just using her phone. And if you go outside, there is a balcony, small balcony. And with the balcony there are 2 curtains, so you can use any. So there are 2 chairs, and this is the scenery, very nice. And this is mom, and the room next to us is brother and dad. They're very tired from the taxi ride, and the area is very green, so we're going to explore very soon. So if I'm not tired, I'm going to keep vlogging. See you later. You're gonna open this door. Woo! And it goes to brother and dad's room. Yay! So the room layout is the same. They just have a smaller balcony. Woo! Woo! So this is the extra bed added. Pizza, chicken fried rice, and drinks. Service. Oh, KGH. I finally learned it what it means. It's Kathmandu Guest House. Historical icon.
यो सबै यहाँ छ यो के पार्क भिलेजको 27 to 29 पेजमा
They're a big group. Ooh, boutique hotel. That's nice. And this one. So this is outside our room. This is where we are staying, and it's really pretty, aesthetically pleasing, and it's quite big with lots of greenery and lots of bird sounds. It's really relaxing. Hello. Yes, stairs. Nice. Hello. 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 Everybody saying hello. Oh, the sunlight on the right. There is a private garden, I think, for this room, not for us. Different kind of rooms. Oh, different houses. There. This one is cute with the sitting area outside. गाडी हिँड्ने यहाँ पार्क रहेछ सानो सानो पार्क रहेछ ल जास्मिन फुल क्या मिठो बास्ना jasmine flower smells amazing. Entering the park. को त्यो मान्छे गरेर हेरौँ त गर्न सक्यो अरे मूर्तिमा साइडमा हेर्नु त उता बनाउने चाहिँ विकल्प प्रजापति. I found a swing. Does it work? I think so.
Wow, so cute. Together, very beautiful. Now I talking English.
बचपन के जमाने के हम बचपन के याद आ गई.
दुईटै साइडमा गौतम बुद्ध जी रहेछ. Oh, यो त ब्याम्बू पछाडि ब्याम्बू जङ्गल जस्तै देखेछ. The small Goomba is here. We're just exploring this resort. तर पानी खाली dry. It's the Mandir temple. Oh, आफै किस्दै हिँड्दैछु. What is this? Trattoria Maya. Restaurant, yeah? Oh, Italian restaurant. Oh, yeah, you got any milk. The mandir is connected to this restaurant. So this is the entrance of the restaurant, and the swimming pool is there. यहीँबाट जान मिल्छ हो? No diving. The swimming pool, shower area, fitness there. Mom is just sitting here. Ooh. That's the logo. There. Oh, soon after on this. Restaurant होला नि त. Out of the swimming pool, another statue of Buddha. Returning back now. Ooh, white. Sunset. It's a parking. Oh yeah, too. Green everywhere. I love the advice from a tree. Parking. We went to the Earth Watch restaurant for our dinner, which is right next to the reception. Also, I wanted to try the dinner buffet there. Unfortunately, there were a lot of people gathering for seminar, so the resort was almost fully booked and the buffet area was very crowded. So we decided to order food for dinner instead.
ल चेस ल खा राम्रो देखेको तिमीहरू पो साँच्चीकै जेलेस
Tandoori chicken, butter naan, mutton curry, chicken curry, dal, and chicken chili. This is so pretty. Night light. After dinner, full energy. Before dinner, there was no energy. Now going back to the room, and then we're just gonna rest for now and just check the videos and photos that we took before. There's the ramen area here. It's opposite. Okay, very dark. So see you tomorrow.